Hey YouTube, it's another Zippo tutorial on double snap, which is number 4 on my Zippo tricks. Now, double snaps is pretty easy. Now what you want to do is either left hand or right hand, don't matter. You want to hold it. Now if you're left-handed, you can hold it in your left hand. No, you hold it in your right hand. If you snap better with your left hand, I'll show you left-handed. You will hold it, have the hinge underneath of your hand right there, because if it's over too top, it's not going to open. So you want it underneath, and as you snap, you're going to hit your hand, you're going to hit the head, and as you snap, you're going to open it, and then you turn it up. Then as you snap, you're going to hit the wheel, and then you're going to hit it like that. Okay? And then it'll be like fast like that. So let me show you. So remember, what you're going to do is have the hinge underneath, but have a good grip. Snap, hit it open, and then snap and hit the wheel, and it looks like. That is your tutorial of double snaps. As always, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.